Falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus. False in one thing, false in everything. Hello, this video gets credit for, or to, Gatofish. I don't know how to say that pseudonym. He did a mirror, and I'll go ahead and show it real quick. There we go. Mirror of a video that was from ThePottersClay, which I did not know until I watched Bombaclaat. So, you know, people who live away from mainstream media news, it's good for people to just put out some of these videos. Even, you know, it's just, we don't need to focus day in, day out, and I know some people do. So it's great that someone that has been on watching my show and subscribe to me. I'm subscribed to you guys too, most of y'all who put out videos, and you know, I wouldn't have known about this unless I watched it or came across it in my email when someone's uploading something or live streaming. So if you do like any of my videos, you can donate via Bitcoin or Vertcoin, $0 since I've had them up for over 16 months, and you can always track how much I'm getting via the Bitcoin blockchain explorer. This is what I've gotten, and for my Patreon, sent to Susie Dawson when she needed it, and this is of course Vertcoin blockchain. We can see how much money I've gotten there, $0 still. People have donated via Google Super Chat, and but Google takes a big chunk out of it. You can now do so via PayPal.me. They do take a smaller chunk, but you know, those whether I receive anything from Google Super Chat or PayPal.me, I will disclose on the first video of the month, along with the total of all time. Heck, I'll probably even disclose if I receive $0, since that's probably gonna be $0 this coming month. But still, if you don't have money, you can easily prove the globe Earth and get $15,000 from Zen Garcia. Then just donate like a small finder's fee, you know, maybe 10% to me. If you do. That's how you can donate to me if you don't have any money. Just easily prove the globe Earth and donate a little bit of that to me. Okay, now let's go on to what we're seeing. So ThePottersClay did a video, and so have a lot of other news. All you have to do is do a Google search, and I always tell people one of the ways to research to find the truth is to research the official narrative. So, and look at the closest to the sources you can. So right now you can actually see that there's videos of different news media, especially mainstream news media, that are kind of, I don't know if this is just to give validity to all the other news media by sacrificing one. That could be it, but the person who found it was, I think, a local YouTuber. But I'm pretty sure a lot of people kind of realize it if they watch mainstream media news, but who knows how people find it. This is the original video, which you could read up on Gizmodo, and again, everything is in the links in the YouTube description box, or Steam it, or Vim.tv, and this person gives all the links as well. That's how I found it, all the original links as well. And if you want to watch parts of the original video, which ABC News took down, at least on the World News Tonight, they also had it in Good Morning America or something like that. anyways, you can watch this portion, and then we'll go ahead and actually this is good enough, and then another video, and that'll be it for this video. All right, so I'll shut up now and play the videos.
This video right here appearing to show Turkey's military bombing Kurd civilians in a Syrian border town. The Kurds, who fought alongside the U.S. against ISIS. Now, horrific reports of atrocities committed by Turkish-backed fighters on those very allies. A reporter, take a look at this live streaming video when a convoy is hit by a Turkish airstrike. President Trump ordering about 1,000 U.S. troops to withdraw from northern Syria. Since pulling U.S. troops from the region, hundreds of ISIS prisoners and sympathizers have gone free. About 200,000 Kurds have been displaced, and Kurdish leaders now looking for help from unlikely new allies. ABC's Ian Pannell is in Syria to lead us off.
This video, obtained by ABC News, appears to show the fury of the Turkish attack on the border town of Tal Abyad 2 nights ago. This video, obtained by ABC News, appears to show the fury of the Turkish attack on the border town of Tal Abyad.
A border town bombarded by Turkey's military. This video right here appearing to show Turkey's military bombing Kurd civilians in a Syrian border town. The Kurds, who fought alongside the U.S. against ISIS. Now, horrific reports of atrocities committed by Turkish-backed fighters on those very allies.
All right, so that's it. There's gonna be more videos coming out later tonight. I thought of something kind of funny because I've been watching Between Two Ferns, and I noticed something interesting about David Letterman. I didn't know that because oh man, there's so much to put out there. Saturday night, I thought it was Sunday night because I thought yesterday was Friday night. Everything just got crazy. I don't know what day it is these days, but anyways, thank you for showing up. I am probably going to do a couple videos tonight, so stay tuned. Thanks, and we'll see you in a bit.